The data logger Testo 175T1 monitors temperature in storage and during transportation. It is certified according to the HACCP guidelines and helps you to maintain the cold chain. Testo 175T1 is easy to install and operate. The useful wall bracket is included in delivery. After the measurement, you can read out the measurement data on your PC or laptop via the SD card. We include suitable software for the analysis in delivery. Data export is carried out conveniently with Excel, and changing the batteries is no problem either. Your measurement data are securely stored in the instrument. Find out more about the temperature data logger Testo 175T1 at your distributor or directly from Testo.